In this video, we are going to learn a very important topic which is RE ending verbs in French. This video is relevant for anyone who's learning French. The screen which you can see is from HSC 11th standard textbook, lesson number 4, grammar topics, topic number 1. So, as I have mentioned in my previous videos as well, in French there are three types of verbs: IR ending, ER ending, and RE ending. We have completed with ER ending verbs. This is the second type, which is RE ending verbs. Okay. ER, I have made a separate video. This is another type, which is RE ending verbs. So, how do we conjugate? How do we make different forms of the RE ending verbs? So, it is mentioned over the screen. Let's dive in. To conjugate verbs ending in RE in present tense, first we have to do what? We have to drop the RE. As you can see here, example is given of the verb répondre. Répondre, you'll take the entire verb, the infinitive verb. Then you'll drop the RE. You will cut down the RE. Then what remains? Répondre. Okay. And to that répondre, you'll add a few endings. Okay. Add the endings as shown in the table below. Now REPOND remains. Okay. We will add endings to that radical. The part which remains is known as radical. I've mentioned this earlier as well. So to the radical, we will add some endings just like in ER ending verbs. So now what are the endings? What is the pattern? What is the set pattern for conjugating RE verbs? Let's see. Here, for je, we will add S, tu, S, il, on, nothing. We will not add anything. We'll only cut the RE. Okay. Then nu, we will add ONS. Vu, we will add EZ. Il, we will add ENT. Repeat after me. For je, S, tu, S, il, on, nothing. Nu, ONS, vu, EZ, il, ENT. Once again. For je, we will add S, tu, S, il, on, nothing. Nu, ONS, vu, EZ, ENT. Clear? Step 1. Drop the RE. Now after dropping RE, what remains? REPOND in this specific example. That part, the remaining part is known as the radical. To the radical, we will add some endings. Now what are those endings? For RE ending verbs, je, S, tu, S, il, on, nothing. Nu, ONS, vu, EZ, il, ENT. Here the verb répondre is conjugated. Let's read it. Répondre means to answer or to reply. So how do I read it? Je réponds, tu réponds, il, en répond, nous répondons, vous répondez, ils, répondent. Okay? Here a list is given of commonly used RE ending verbs. You'll note down this in your notebook, this specific list, make a list, and then conjugate these verbs. Conjugate means this. You have to solve it just like it is given for répondre. You have to solve all the other verbs. I hope you're through with this topic. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.